Hi, my name is Mario Baracco and I'm the president of Electro-Matic Integrated. Through the utilization of Rittal automated systems, EM Integrated has the technology and expertise to modify, assemble, and customize enclosures to meet our customer needs. That's why we depend on our engineering team and the Rittal Perforex machine to automate this process. With these tools, this gives us the ability to machine custom enclosures with precision accuracy and much faster than traditional hand cutting methods.
Integrators handling enclosure modifications are challenged with small batch sizes and short turnaround times. The Rittal Perforex delivers fast, precise modification of steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and copper. Enclosure components such as mounting plates, doors, side panels, and roof plates are easily modified. Manual machining is time-consuming, resource-intensive, and prone to errors. Fully automated drilling, thread tapping, and milling saves time, money, and improves quality and customer delivery times. Perforex can go from CAD drawing to machining to finishing in minutes. Manual modification requires layout by hand, induces errors, and significantly increases the modification time. In addition, this process must be repeated for every enclosure. Your business, your bottom line, and your customers will benefit from the fully automated Rittal Perforex machines. To find out how Rittal can help, visit RittalEnclosures.com